Hello everyone, my name is Gifmo Magujo, and today I want to show you how to calculate exchange rates in Python. So an exchange rate is simply the price of one currency expressed in terms of another country's currency. So I'm guessing you may be someone who buys goods from other countries. Let's say you buy goods from South Africa, or you buy goods from the United States, you buy goods from China, and in the process of doing so, you may be facing exchange rate fluctuations, and you also need to know how to calculate exchange rates, for the simple reason that you need to determine whether you are making a profit or a loss on each purchase you make from abroad or from overseas. So basically that's the gist of this tutorial, to just show you how to perform exchange rate calculations, but I will be doing so using Python. I will not be using a basic calculator, but you can follow along using a basic calculator like Sharp or Casio, or you can use the Python language to follow along in this tutorial. So before I show you that, I just need to browse a couple of websites to search for the exchange rates that we are going to use in this tutorial. So let's just hop over to the Google search bar and search for those exchange rates. So I'll start by searching USD to RTGS exchange rate, right? I just want to know how much one USD is worth in Zimbabwean dollar or in Zimbabwean RTGS currency. So I'll just do this. I'll just USD slash Z ZWL, that's the currency code for. Okay, so I've noted that my Wi-Fi is off, so I'll turn it on just now. So just be patient, guys, as I connect to my internet, to my Wi-Fi. So that's good. So as we can see, we are seeing that this is the previous price. That is the So we are seeing that 1 USD is worth 322.355. So this was the open price, this was the bid price. So that's perfect. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we are just going to use this. We're going to use this 322.355, or we can navigate to this Zimbabwe Market Watch and check the exchange rate as well. I'm noting here it's quite different from the exchange rate that we've seen from the other window. Okay, so let's just use this. Okay, no problem, let's just use this. So here what it is telling us is 1 USD is worth 85.74. It is worth between 85.74 to 117. So between this, okay. So let's just mark this. That's perfect. So let's just go back here and let's search the USD to ZAR exchange rate. So as you can see, this in these search results, they tell us that 1 USD is worth 14.29 South African rand. So that's perfect. Now we have got USD to ZW rate, and we have USD to ZAR rate. So that's perfect. So what I want to do right now is to open the Jupyter notebook that I'm going to use right with Python. So let's just wait a bit as it connects me to the Jupyter window. Right, that's perfect. So I just need to search for a right, for this directory, and then I'll create this page, this Jupyter page, and I'll have to say exchange rates calculations. So that's perfect. So now that we are here, the first thing that we want to do is we want to, let's say, so we want to determine, we want to convert the RTGS that we have to USD, and then after that we have to convert the USDs that we have to a South African currency, right? So let's just do that. So what I'll do, I'll create a variable. I will start by creating a variable. I'll call it USD ZWL, and let's go back to this website, and here we see, let's just use this 85.74. so we just say 85.74. that's the US to ZW exchange rate. And let's just say currency, and for this current variable I'll give it the value of USD to ZW, and I'll put the ZW amount that we have, that we want to change to USD, and I'll put it as, let's say, 2000. So that's perfect. Let's just use the input function. So the input function, I'll just say enter the currency and amount you want to convert. So I'll just do this, and that's perfect. So now I'll use the if statement. That this is the conditional statement in Python. So I'll just say if currency is equal to USD ZW, do the following. So I'll just say right, so I'll just say I'll put this comment, you will get, then I've put the this, you will get, then I'll leave it like that, then I'll put a plus because I just want to add this. I want this to appear before the code that I'm about to write. So I'll just say I'll just say the currency amount that we have. So I'll just say amount that we have, which is the ZW amount, and I will divide that amount by the exchange rate that we have, the USD to ZW exchange rate, and then I'll put a plus to add a comment, another comment, so you will get USDs because we want to get the USDs in this simple code. So now this should get us started. Okay, so let's just try it. So it's prompting us in this input tab that we have to enter the currency and amount that I want to convert. So we have set the amount limit to 2000. Let's say we want to convert 2000 ZW to USD. So I'll just click enter, and as you can see, it's giving me a type error. It's saying you can only concatenate str, not float, to str. So the problem here is I'm trying to output in there's a conflict between integer values and strings, because we have to follow the Python convention. So we have to turn this integer into a string, because as you can see, these are all strings in Python. So to do that, we just use the str method to convert an integer to a string. So if we just do that, then if we try one more time, that should give us the what we want. So let's just try ZW, and as you can see, it's giving us this. So enter the currency and amount you want to convert. So we have entered 2000 ZW, and this will give us 23.32 USD. So that's perfect, you see. So now we want to proceed to calculating the ZARs that we can get, the rands that we can get from this USD 23. So that's fine. Let's just continue to do that. So let's just copy this code and then paste it here. So let's go back to this, and you have seen that 1 USD is worth 14.29 rand. So we are going to change our exchange rate to 14.29, and we are going to change our variable name to USD to ZAR, and we are going to change our amount to USD because we want to change our USD. So let's just say 23 if we round it to 2 decimal places, and let's just change our variable as well to ZAR. And let's change here on our function to this to ZAR, and let's come here and change this to ZAR, and let's change now we are not dividing but we are multiplying, and let's change here to rands. So that's perfect. So we just want to see how many rands that we are going to have if we change this 23 USD. So let's just do that. So let's just say 23.33 USD. As you can see, as you can see here, like I said, we have the amount that we have, it's 23.33. and okay, sorry, you see I've done something wrong here. I need to change this amount to USD because it's still using the 2000 here, because we've created this variable on top here, amount ZW. So in Python it is inherited that and counted that, so we need to change this to amount USD. So if we try one more time, it should give us the correct answer. So let's just say 23 point then we say okay. So as you can see, we will get 333 rand from 23.33 USD. So let's just confirm this, right? Let's just come here, and we want to put the 23.33 USD amount, and let's see how many rands that we are going to get here. So we just say 23.33. as you can see, we are getting 33.30, and that's the same value that we've gotten here, 33.30. It's just a matter of rounding off numbers here, but it's one and the same thing. So what can we learn from this? We can learn from this, for example, on the first example that we did when we were converting RTGs to USD dollars. Or if you are converting, let's say, because what you need to understand, this is a base currency, this is a quote currency. So when you are converting USD to USD, you have to divide, right? You will divide the ZW amount that you have with the given exchange rate, the USD to ZW exchange rate. And when you have got the USDs and you want to convert the USDs to ZAR, you multiply, like what we have done here. So the process is just the same reverse wise, because even if we want to convert the ZARs, the 333 ZARs that we have to this amount, we will have to divide. So it's a matter of understanding the logic that's happening here. So I understand, guys, that you've learned 1 or 2, 3 things. If you've got any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. And I'm so happy that you've spent your time watching this video, and please remember to subscribe, like and share this video with your peers. Thank you.